Hey guys, it's your girl Gigi here to give you that 5-minute review of the Zumba Lip Glosses in colors Crazy Over Coral and Pink Panic. Hey everyone, for more content, like, click, and subscribe. So I purchased the Pink Panic and the Coral on Zumba.com, and the details are as follows. For the Pink Panic, it says it's a high shine gloss. Layer over your favorite Zumba matte liquid lipstick to give it a touch of shine. Not tested on animals. Please note that color may vary due to screen resolution, skin tone, and other unique factors. For the Coral, it also gives the same exact description, but it's displayed with the different color. Outside of Zumba, I do wear makeup, so I was really interested in the lip glosses that Zumba had came out with. What I noticed with the pink and the coral, where they did have two different types of textures. The pink was very thick. They both were creamy. However, the pink tend to stain more than the coral did. So if you have a Zumba top or some type of workout gear on that is white, I would highly recommend that you do not get the Panic Pink on your outfit or your clothing, because you're gonna have a hard time getting that stain out. It's a very nice product. The colors were good. It wasn't cheap. It wasn't one of those types of lip glosses that you put on and it was very light or clear or see-through. It was very nice. It wasn't cheap at all compared to standard beauty products that you may find in your convenience store or say in a department store. Zumba actually did a really good job with these lip glosses. One thing I noticed about the coral, I would feel more comfortable with the coral. I think that's a color that would match pretty good with any type of shade. The pink coral is cute. I probably would not wear that to Zumba. I would probably wear that outside of Zumba. Not because the color is bad or it looks ugly, but I would worry about kind of getting it on my clothing or on one of my tops because it does stain. This is my personal opinion. I do not reflect the opinions of other people or anyone else, and I have not been influenced to give these opinions for these items or these things that I have purchased. Thanks for watching. For more content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications.